What's up, everybody? This is Info Media, your one-stop shop for tips and strategies on how to be a great YouTuber. Now, let's get into this right now. For those of you out there that are new YouTubers, yeah, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to those new YouTubers out there and people that are still trying to build their channels, because I'm going to tell you what you need to know, not what you want to hear. And the fact of the matter is, you don't necessarily need to be a part of the YouTube partnership by way of having 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch time in order to make passive income on YouTube and develop a revenue stream. You don't need to. While you're grinding it out, trying to become a part of the YouTube partnership program by getting your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hours, that's going to be only simply but icing on the cake, because you can make money without even being technically monetized on YouTube. And I'm going to show you how and tell you how. One of them are 5 strategies that I'm going to tell you. The first one is affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? It's basically you're getting a commission for advertising and promoting a particular product that's designed and marketed by a corporation or some type of company. For example, if I'm talking about microphones, and I'm going to tell you all about the best mics to use, then I want to contact that company and see if I can get a affiliate link, so that if you go out and buy this product, like a pod mic, for example, okay, here's the pod mic right here, ladies and gentlemen. This is a great microphone. It's $100. It's got great sound. It's one of the best mics in the business for a pretty affordable price. Now, if I'm promoting that, I want to have an affiliate link in my description of my video, because I've made contact with Rode themselves, where I'm going to get a commission based on how many people click the link, go to Rode's site and purchase this microphone. Or if they don't even purchase the microphone, they want to get eyeballs on the rest of their products. They want to get you on their site so that you may be curious enough to want to buy something else besides just the microphone. As you see the beautiful packaging here, this is the pod mic by Rode. So if I'm promoting that, I want to get the affiliate link, because every person that watches this video, for example, if I had that link in this video, I can make passive income through a commission. That's called affiliate marketing. So even when you are a small YouTuber, you'll be surprised how many of these companies out there want any type of advertisement they can get, even if you're a small YouTuber. I'm going to give you a tip. One of the companies right now that is the most friendliest and the most easiest to get yourself started in affiliate marketing would be Amazon. Yes, you can if you contact Amazon and start the application process, they do have stipulations on how many sales they want. So you got to keep that in mind. They do want to make sales. They do want to make things happen and move for you to get that commission. You want to talk to them, because Amazon is the easiest company right now for you to get affiliate marketing, especially when you're a small YouTuber. Not to mention that there's other companies besides Amazon out there that are looking for people on YouTube to market and promote their products. The next one I want to talk about here is very important, is sponsorship. Sponsorship is a great thing to have. I want to clap on that. Okay? I definitely want to clap on that, most definitely. Getting a sponsor it's a great thing to do to gain passive income, to build up that revenue. This is the catch-22 of getting a sponsor. There are certain companies and corporations out there that want to see what your numbers are. They want to see how many subscribers you have. Do you have thousands of subscribers? Do you have millions of subscribers? Because they may say, you know what, you just don't have the numbers that we need to make it worth us sponsoring your channel for this particular product, sponsoring your channel, because you don't have the numbers. However, I'm going to give you a way you can get around that. What you should do is focus on small companies, startups, companies that are new, that need the advertisement, that are looking to find themselves on social media to get that buzz. So look into who are the small companies that are in desire for, that would give you a sponsorship. And then you would have to negotiate what that would be for yourself. I would also say this, look for local small businesses in the area that you live, because these small businesses in your local area, they would definitely be open to sponsoring your channel to push advertisement, especially if they have a brand new business that is trying to get pickup on social media. Because look at it this way, this is how you can attract sponsorship. Even if you don't have a huge YouTube channel yet, look at the fact, tell them, market this to them that, hey, I've got followers. This is how many followers I have on Facebook. This is how many followers I have on Instagram, TikTok. Use all of those other social media platforms as a way to leverage your negotiation with getting a sponsorship, because that company may say, you know what? We might be interested in sponsoring you, because if you're going to take your YouTube videos and promote it through all your social media, and we see that you have a lot of people on all the other areas of your social media. And the fact is this, I'm going to tell you something that a lot of people are not going to tell you. There are some people who are on Facebook who won't rock with YouTube. And there's people on Twitter who don't rock with YouTube, but they only rock with Twitter. And same thing goes with TikTok. So if you can cross-pollinate your promotions for a business, they might be interested in sponsoring your channel. But I would say start with smaller businesses that might be more inclined to take on your sponsorship because they want to get their name out there. But you'll be surprised how many bigger companies might be willing to sponsor you because they see potential in your channel. They see potential on your niche and what you're doing. They see potential in the growth of your channel. So I would say sponsorship is number two, one of the definitely, I would say, important. Then this one is tried and true, ladies and gentlemen. This is called My Paid Products. What is My Paid Products? That's you selling yourself to your audience. What is that paid products? That's like taking a Teespring, right? You can sign up for a Teespring account where you can sell products. Maybe you got a beautiful logo on your channel and you want to promote your logo, so you can put that logo on a t-shirt, a hoodie. Maybe you want to put it on a coffee mug, a cup. You can push that type of product. That's called your My Product, selling your paid products that you want to sell, promoting your channel. It's great because it gives you cross promotions when people are out there wearing a shirt, a hoodie with your logo on it, and they're giving you free advertising because someone comes up to them and say, hey, where'd you get that at? Well, there's a YouTube channel. That's giving you some cross promotions. It's also giving you passive income because people are paying for products that you have. And you can use sites like Teespring. There's tons of sites out there that you can find that you can Google that will actually take your logo, put it on physical clothing products that you don't have to pay for, and they simply get a commission of money out of how many of these products that you sell. Another great thing that you can do. Oh, let me not forget this. If you're a person that's on YouTube and you know how to make graphics, you got great graphics on your YouTube channel, you've got great lower overlays on your channel that you're creating yourself, and people are saying, man, that looks great. That's called digital marketing, digital products that you have. You could probably say to people that follow you, hey, this is, I'll sell this for $5, $10, $20, whatever you want to sell that digital product for that you have created. That is whatever you're doing to give your channel a great look, your overlays, all the special effects that you're using on your video. If you're creating this stuff, you can sell this stuff to people that are following you, that are content creators themselves, that may be interested in what you're doing on your channel. That's another way to make passive income using something we call My Paid Products. Okay, so the next one I want to look at, and I think gets overlooked, is the Cash App. Usually when you get monetized by YouTube, you become a part of their partnership program, they'll put the AdSense symbol on your channel when you go live, and you have this little symbol where people can give you what? Super chat. Well, keep this in mind. YouTube takes 30% of your super chat money that people send you. You know how you can get around that and you can beat that? How about you create yourself a Cash App? That's right, a Cash App account. And when you create that Cash App account, now you can simply do call of action to the folks that are following you and say, if you would like to Cash App me, my Cash App is in the description of this video. Click the link. You can also pin the Cash App link inside your chat room and pin it to the top where people can click into it and send you Cash App money as another way to make passive income because they're enjoying your content. And you don't have to worry about YouTube taking the 30% from you, because the Cash App, you're getting the majority of the money that people are donating to you. So don't sleep on the idea of promoting a Cash App in the description of your video, shouting it out while you're going live on your video, or you're pulling up an uploaded video, or putting, if you have a ticker, like when you're using something like StreamYard or some type of streaming software, you have a ticker that goes across the screen, you can put in there so people can constantly see that you have a Cash App. So you want to go call and response, where you want to do the call of action to people saying, I got a Cash App. You want to put in the description of your video, and if you can, put it somewhere on the screen of your video through a ticker that goes by or some way that you can put it up there to let people know that you have a Cash App. That's another way that you can make passive revenue and bypass YouTube's 30% that they take from you from the AdSense when people give you a super chat. Okay, now let me give you what the final and the last of these strategies when it comes to making money on YouTube without needing to have a monetization that's been given to you by YouTube. The next one is having ads on your channel. Now you say, well, what's the deal between having an ad when I'm already looking for a sponsorship? And that sponsorship, I might be promoting that particular company. Well, this is where I differ with this right now. This is a strategy. Look for other YouTubers on YouTube who are either selling beauty products, jewelry, clothing products. They're promoting something that people want. Connect with people on YouTube that you may already know. Maybe you have a family member, maybe you have a friend. Find out if there's someone out there in your community that sells products that would like to advertise their products, their business. Again, a smaller YouTuber or a big YouTuber, it doesn't matter. Go out and see if you can find someone who's already on YouTube, already on social media, that would like to do a campaign sponsorship on your channel where you run a 1 minute or a small advertisement for that channel that's promoting their products on your channel. And then you can negotiate maybe a small fee, some type of a fee, I don't know, small or big, whatever you want to charge that person to advertise on your channel. It does two things. It's giving them advertisement and people learn about their channel, but then people on their channel will learn about your channel because you are negotiating and building a business relationship with another content creator who would like to advertise on your channel. And you're getting passive income from negotiating with them a fair price. These are some of the things that you can do to make money while being a YouTube content creator when you are especially a brand new content creator and you do not have the 1,000 subscribers or the 4,000 watch hours needed to be a part of the YouTube partnership program. And once you implement these strategies, you can really leverage yourself when you actually do become a part of the YouTube partnership program. Now it only becomes icing on the cake. So I hope that you would employ these strategies if you have a desire to make money on YouTube, or what we call passive income. I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, this is Info Media, and I would like you, as I always say, I would like you, I'm putting my hands up, to watch another video. I want to thank you for coming over to the channel. Share this video in all of your social media. If you're a content creator as well, share it. And I would say, employ these strategies. You can do this before you even get monetized. You're basically monetizing yourself before YouTube monetizes you. Take care, everybody. This is INFOR Media once again.